Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain IBPS RRB Clerk Mains paper number 23. Model test paper number 23. First one, comprehension contains different set of questions. Now first question, which of the following word given in the option should come at the place marked A as A? So what should come in A? A is marked what should come in A. And again, in the above passage to make it grammatically correct and meaningfully. Also, the word should fill in the two sentences given below to make them contextually correct and meaningfully correct. Simple. A Roman number 1 contains a blank. Roman number 1 contains a blank and Roman number 2 contains the blank. In both the sentences, only one option is suitable. That same option should be suitable in the blank A also. As with other mental systems, copper is a dash. After is, what do I require? I require V3 or V4 or noun, adjective, preposition. Now here, alloyed is V3, it is given. Verb is given, so what do I require? V3 is already given. I require an adverb maybe. Copper is intentionally alloyed. Yes, possibility is there. Apathetic alloyed, no, apathetic is nothing but adjective. Apathetic, path means feeling, a means no feeling, so not related. Rendered alloyed, no. Conferred alloyed, granted alloyed. Already easy, ed is there, we don't take ed. If I want to take third, fourth, fifth option, I need and conjunction. Copper is alloyed, copper is rendered and alloyed, conferred and alloyed, granted and alloyed. Hence 3, 4, 5 not possible. Second Roman number, people who dash starve themselves. This is a verb, starve themselves. So intentionally starve themselves, suffer from eating disorder called anorexia nervosa. One is suitable in these two. Let me check the blank, A blank. Brazil's Amazon's forests are ablaze with dozens of fire. Ablaze means full of fire. Most of them set intentionally by the loggers and others seeking greater access to forest land. Answer, no doubt, first one. Intentionally is the right answer. The sentence given in B has 4 words. Amongst the given bold words, which are the following words must replace each other to make contextually correct and meaningfully correct? So here, B, 4 words are given in bold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we replace? Word swapping. While European leaders in civil society in many places are, after are, I require V3, encourage, not encourage. One is not suitable. There, I can also take V1 and V4. Many places, European leaders in many places are organizing. Yes. They are started wrong. They are started wrong. Organizing should come. European leaders and civil society in many places are organizing protests to oppose politics that encourage fires. So 1, 2, okay. Or that started the fires. The Brazilian president Jair Bolsonaro has stated, sorry, this is stated, yes, stated correct, that they are an internal matter and they were actually started by the answer is 1, 2 can be interchanged. 2, 1, second option. In the above passage, sentence C is italicized. There may or may not be error in one part of the sentence, select the part having error. I am reading the options. The American President Donald Trump has, after has, withdrew. Withdrew is what? Withdraw, V1. And V2 is withdrew. Draw, drew, drawn. D-R-A-W-N. Withdrawn is V3. And after has, I require V3. V3 means withdrawn. So error is in the second part. Second part contains error. Which of the following should come? Fill in the blank in a D to make it contextually correct. D is here. Dash funding. European integration has spoken from both sides of his mouth on climate change. Dash funding from climate science. Intimately means romantically. So not related. Contemplating funding from climate. Contemplating means thinking, no. Receiving fund from, yes. Distinctly, clearly funding, no. Wade funding, no. Answer is third one, receiving funding from. Which of the following word should given word given in the options should come at the place marked as E? So like first A, here E. In this E blank, which one is suitable? The same option is suitable in the first and second also. Make my plan. My plan was moving a little quicker than anticipated. Already answer is given. Anticipated here. Heat waves have also accelerated melting of glaciers in Greenland at a rate that was not anticipated by, that was not perished by. Demolished Paris same. Contended means participating in a fight. Anticipated, expected. Alleged means blame. Answer is anticipated. They have already given. In each of the following questions given below, four words given in bold. These words may or may not be in the correct position. Sentence is followed by options. So word swap. The advancing progress has brought relief. The advancing monsoon has brought relief. More relevant. The advancing average has no. The advancing deficit is no. The advancing monsoon has brought relief to many parts of India, but its progress has been slower than deficit, slower than average. Slower than average. Only AB. Second option is the right answer. However, the permitting environment protection rules initially, no. The permitting environment protection rules, no. The initially environment protection rules, no. Amended means changed or modified. The amended rules, yes. The codified rules, not sure. Amended, okay. The amended environment protection rules initially, no. Permitting, no. Codified, yes. Codified should come. So CA and BD. However, the amended environment protection rules codified in June 2008 ended up permitting TPPs to use more water than what was initially specified. Already V3 is there. I require LY. So AC, BD. Second option is the right answer. The data domain by TPPs, maybe. The data supplied by TPPs, yes, more suitable. The data shortages, no. The data disclosed by, maybe. So here data supplied or data disclosed. Here in A, either B should come or D should come. Let me continue reading. By TPP should be placed in the public domain, in the public shortages, in the public disclosed. Here public domain should come. So public domain means AB. So AB can be interchanged. By PPT should be placed in the public domain so that the parameters disclosed can be studied in the context of region specific water shortages. Water shortages, okay. Water disclosed, no. Parameters disclosed, correct. So CD, AB, CD. Third option, correct answer. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has taken a first step by issuing a cleaning. After has, I require V3 only. Has taken, has a cleaning, no. Has a reducing, no. Has a notice, no. So V3 is perfectly all right. A is perfectly all right. A. Taken a first step by issuing a cleaning to state governments. A notice. Yes, a notice, by issuing a notice to state governments on reducing water use for cleaning solar panels. BD. Fourth option is the right answer. Stringent implementation of standards. Stringent means strict. Strict implementation of standards. Strict efficiency of standards. Implementation efficiency, okay. Achieving, no. Next, what else? I guess combined. Stringent combined, no. So efficiency can come, but implementation, let me check. Stringent implementation of standards for judicious water use by TPPs combined with the promotion of RE and energy efficiency, energy implementation will offer pathways for achieving these goals. Answer, no. No replacement required. In making the claim that has been privileged, after being, we can take V3. Privilege denied, not correct. Here I require LY because already V3 is there, verb. Roundly denied possibilities there. Breached, denied, no. Including, denied, no. In making the claim that has been roundly denied by New Delhi, Mr. Trump breached several diplomatic protocols. Breached means breaking. Mr. Trump breached, including, no, breached several well-laid diplomatic protocols, including one against discussing privileged conversations. A, D. First option. Comprehension passage. First one. According to the above passage, what do you think of the most popular opinion held by RTI activists? Popular opinion, RTI activists. Here it is mentioned. Popular opinion held by RTI activists. Let me read from here. Amendment. Like I said, amendment means making changes in a rule or a law. Amendments have haunted the right to information RTI community ever since the RTI Act came into effect almost 14 years ago. Rarely has a law ever been so stoutly defended by activists. Activists have been defended, rarely a law has been defended actively by activists. It is not possible to pass a perfect law, but it was a popular opinion strongly held by most RTI activists that a demand for progressive amendments could be used as a smoke screen by the establishment to usher in regressive changes. Progressive amendments. Progressive amendments can be used as an effective tool by RTI to promote changes, maybe. Amendments are misleading, no. Negative, it did not mention. Many amendments have been proposed and implemented, maybe. People should protest and appeal, no. Answer is only one. According to the above passage, what do you think of the most, sorry, it is repeated, right? Why has the central government knowingly dismantled RTI? Where is dismantling RTI? RTI. Here it is mentioned. Dismantling of this architecture empowers central government to unilaterally decide the tenure, salary, allowances, other forms of service of information commissions, both central and states. Introducing the bill in Lok Sabha. I am reading from the above. Where is the full stop? Anyways, I would like to read from the beginning. Okay, I want to read from here. In the form of the Right to Information Amendment Bill 2019, they seek to amend sections 13, 16, 27 of the RTI Act, which carefully links and thereby equates the status of the Central Information Commissioners. It equates status of CICS with the election commissioners and state information commissioners with the chief secretary into states. Central Information Commissioners, CIC, EC and SIC with the chief secretary in the state so that they can function independent and effective manner. It enables equating status of CISCS with election commissioners and the state information commissions, yes. It authorizes central government to separately determine, no. The central government is empowered to bring all high commissioners at an equal and single platform. Answer is only one. According to author, why he thinks that there is haste and determination to amend the RT. Haste means hurry-burry. Here, why is there unseemly haste? Haste means hurry-burry, very fast. Haste and determination to amend this RTA law. Some feel that it is because the RTA helped with the cross-verification of the affidavits of powerful electoral candidates with official documents, and certain information commissions have ruled in favor of disclosure. So cross-verification of affidavits, powerful elected people. Right to Information Act assisted information commissioners, no. It enabled cross-verification of the affidavits that influential and dominant electoral candidates present with official records, yes. RTA Act imposes challenge to all those misuse power for their own self. Answer is only two. Why has RTA resulted in fundamental shifts? Fundamental shifts. Here it is mentioned. I'm reading from the above. Okay, here. In a country where the rule of law hangs by a slender thread and corruption, and the arbitrary use of power is a daily norm, the RTA has resulted in a fundamental shift, empowering a citizen's access to power and decision making. It has been a lifeline for many of the 40 to 60 lakh ordinary users, many of the men's survival. It has also been threat to arbitrariness, privilege, and corrupt governance. It becomes positive point for people and negative point for arbitrariness and privilege and corrupt people. It has allowed common citizens of India to access power to be a part of decision making. Yes. It is a threat to privileged arbitrators and corrupt governance. Yes. RT users have been murdered because of the courage. Murdering. Let me check. Yeah, here more than 80 RTA users have been murdered because of their courage and determination. All three, 1, 2, 3. So answer is fourth option, all of the above. What is the fundamental to democratic citizenship? Where is democratic citizenship? It is mentioned here, fundamental to democratic citizenship. I'm reading from here. The Indian RTA law has been a breakthrough in creating mechanisms, platforms for the practice of continual public vigilance that are fundamental to democratic citizenship. Breakthrough creating mechanisms and platforms for continual public vigilance. Continual public vigilance. Created mechanisms and platforms enabling public vigilance. Yes, first one. With this movement, part of governance alongside democratic power, no, people now can access all information. Answer is only one. Similar meaning, benevolent. Yeah. Introducing the bill in the Lok Sabha, the Minister of State for Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Jitendra Singh asserted that this was a benevolent and a minor mechanism. Benevolent thought. Benevolent means good doing. General meaning is good doing. But here, benevolent mechanism means, Minister said, thoughtful mechanism, Usher. Usher means a person who is moving. Usher is a person who shows seats in the theater. A person who shows seats in the theater or an auditorium is called usher. No. Vigilant means careful, careful mechanism. Accessing, no. Answer is first one. Minister asserted it is a thoughtful mechanism. Next, errant. E-R-R-N. Error related. Error means mistake related. Let me read the context. An independent information commission, which is the highest authority on information along with the powers to penalize errant officials. Errant means the people who have committed mistakes or blunders. Wandering means moving, not related. And here opposite we require. Guilty, same meaning. Innocent, opposite. Wayfaring, wandering, same. Going on the roads, moving unnecessarily. Answer is third option, innocent. Given below sentence, each of which has been divided into 4 parts, each of the questions is then followed. Each of the questions is then followed by 4 options which give the sequence of the arranged parts, rearranged parts. You must choose the option that which gives the correct sequence of the parts. If the sentence is already arranged in the correct sequence, doesn't match with any of the given, mark 5 as answer. We need to rearrange the parts. Palpable, ABLE. No sentence begins with ABLE, not the subject. I require a subject. Subject most probably noun. In rearrangement of the parts, you require a noun. The system, but it was no. The impact of market-friendly policies. The impact of market-friendly system. So first sentence is D. Already D is mentioned. It cannot be B. The impact of market-friendly policies was spreading across the system, but it was the most palpable. After most, palpable is an adjective. Only adjective takes the most. So DCBA, first one is the correct order. The impact of market-friendly policies was spreading across the system, but it was the most palpable in professional education. Of, it cannot start with of. It cannot withstand start with and. Economies generally experience, maybe. Economies generally experience sudden boom bust cycle on account of. BDA. Oh, sorry. BC. What is this? AB. This is CD. CDAB. Economies generally experience sudden boom or bust cycle on account of political changes, trade bans, price and exchange rate and tax fluctuations. CDAB is the right order. Received consular access cannot be first sentence. Kulbhushan Jadhav on charges of espionage and terrorism. India finally, after Pakistan announced its arrested. After Pakistan announced it had arrested Kulbhushan Jadhav. Yeah, it starts with a D. After Pakistan announced it had arrested Kulbhushan Jadhav on charges of espionage, and terrorism, India finally received consular access to him. So DBCA, third option. And grads, no. Off power, no. Is valuable, no. Minimalist theorists held that democracy is valuable. It enables the peaceful transfer of power. DCB. Minimalist theorists held that democracy is valuable. So democracy is valuable. It enables the peaceful transfer of power through free and fair elections and grants legitimacy. DCBA. Answer fourth option. It is important for people who talk about giving the benefit of doubt and time to the government to realize that this is the BJP-led India's government second term. Answer, no improvement, as it is correct. It is starting with it, no problem. Fifth is the right answer. Had helped, it cannot, no sentence cannot start with had unless it is a question. It is not a question, not first sentence. Course consistent, no. Of, no. Italy, yes. It can start with the noun Italy. Italy can hope to return to A. A had, no. A course, yes. A policy, sorry, A course. C, B. Italy can hope to return to a course consistent with policy. It had helped. So, D, B, A. It had helped shape during the onset of AC. DBAC, first option. A word is given, this word, is this word used properly or not? Properly means grammatically or meaning wise, is this word used properly in the context? We need to check out. Extort is verb. Extort is nothing but verb. The meaning is do something by force. Force somebody to do something is called extort, or extortion is the noun. The owners in turn have called the lawyers, shakedown artists bent on ruining their good reputation to extort money. 2v1, correct. Other extortions, this is wrong. When we lose touch with our authentic desire, we become listless and extorted. We become listless adjective and extorted adjective. So answer is only one correct. First option is right answer. Arbitrate. Arbitrate means negotiate, mediate. It is V1, meaning negotiate or bargain, mediate. He warned the council in an address yesterday afternoon not to attempt to arbitrate. 2v1, absolutely correct. The Scottish throne was now disputed by many claims and the Scots asked Edward to arbitrate between them, correct. 2v1. It is hardly, is, after he is, what do we require? We require v3 or v4, but arbitrate is only v1, so third one is not possible, therefore 1, 2 is the answer. Fourth option. Edict. Edict is nothing but an official order, official proclaim. Official order is called edict. Edict is a noun. Edit is a verb, but here edict, D-I-C-T, an order, proclaiming an order. The result has been a huge number of cases with resulting financial benefits for the four companies. Allowed to, after 2v1, no. An edict, and before noun we can use an edict was issued, correct. Aircraft serving in the Far East during World War II had the red disc removed. 2, after 2 you should not use. It should be used as a noun. Only second is the right answer. Veritable, ABLE, adjective. Veritable means quality of truthfulness. Drums are examples of membranophones, and cultures from all over the world have created. Veritable of drums, wrong. Veracity of drums, okay. Veracity of drums, okay. Or veritable drums, okay. If off is not there, veritable drums, okay. Otherwise, this is wrong now. Anyone walking through the doors of the company premises should prepare themselves for a veritable banquet of glass. Banquet, noun. Veritable, adjective, correct. The heavy rain had reduced this low-lying ground to a veritable quagmire. Correct. Quagmire, it is nothing but a difficult situation, difficult ground to walk. It is noun, adjective, article. So 2, 3, correct. 2, 3, correct means answer 5, 2 and 3. Pall. Pall means a kind of covering. A covering is called pall. Smoke is also called smoke covering is also called pall. Something which you lose interest is also pall. Pall, both noun and verb. Residents who fled in city days spoke of the smell of death and piles of garbage drifting like snowbags, casting a pall over the city. Yes, casting a cover over the city, correct. The rest of them either attacked people we were friendly with, or simply had the wrong pall, noun. Wrong pall for our taste may be correct. For over 10 years, his pastoral work was always marked by gentleness, pall, and sensitivity, especially to those in trouble. So we can take 1 and 2. Fourth option. Touted is V3. Tout is V1 and touted V2, touted V3. So here V2 or V3, we can take anyways. Touted is nothing but a person who sells anything illegally. A person who sells anything illegally or secretly is called touted, doing something secretly. Educators can creatively and imaginatively use this quotas in touted. After in, I require ing or noun. Touted is V2 or V3. Hence, it is not correct. Testing is being touted. Yes, being V3, correct. The BBC will introduce a change to the touted. The definite article, after definite article, a noun is needed, but touted is not noun. Therefore, third is also not correct. Only second one, answer 2. Second option is the right answer. Fortitude means bravery, courage, especially during difficult times, during pressing times, during emergency conditions, during failure times, during depressing times. If you show courage or bravery, it is called fortitude. There has been a huge receptiveness to this event, which is what it makes it much more likable. From our fortitude, fortitude is a noun, correct. He battled his illness with characteristic courage and fortitude, correct. Leigh Hunt bore himself in his captivity with cheerful fortitude. This is also correct. Do we have all three? We don't have all three. So grammatically all correct. Meaning wise, what is needed, we'll check. There has been a huge receptiveness to this event, which is what it makes it that much more likable from our fortitude. Receptiveness, fortitude, bit doubtful. Battled his illness with courage and fortitude. This is absolutely correct. Wherever 2 is there, that is correct. 1, 2, 2, 3. So third one, Leigh Hunt before himself. Leigh Hunt bore himself in his captivity with cheerful fortitude, suffering severely. So it is bravery related, suffering. So 2, 3 can be taken. Fifth option. Depraved. Depraved means evil, wicked, cruel. There is one more word which is related to, which appears similar to that. Deprived. Deprived means lack of. Deprived means lack of. Depraved means evil or wicked. The people who make up this typical Gorky offering are drunkards, thieves, depraved creatures. Absolutely correct. Depraved is an adjective. Depraved creatures. In the meantime, there are sources of support and advice for men Deprived access, wrong. Deprived, it should come. Deprived access should come. Second one, wrong. Use yellow journalism to scare the public into depravity. I require a noun, not adjective. Answer only one. First option is right answer. Bequeathed, V2 or V3. Noun for this is bequest. This is noun format for this. And bequeath means, suppose you inherit money from your parents, it is called bequeath. Inheritance. Inherit means, for example, you take the case of Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. They are, by birth they are rich. They are born with silver spoon. They got money from his father Dhirubhai Ambani. So Dhirubhai Ambani bequeathed a lot of money to these both sons. Incurable diseases are being treated and cured by unauthorized self-styled doctors who have learnt from their after there I require a noun, bequeathed, doubtful. No matter how often she changed her will, she told me that the diamond pin was always bequeathed to me, correct? The rules for, after for, noun is needed, noun or ing. Noun is bequest, ing is bequeathing. So third is not possible, only two. Second option is the right answer. Enigma. Enigma is nothing but a mystery. Enigma is a mystery, it is a noun. It is a noun. So noun means either an or the is needed. Paraffin wax is enigma added? No. Added is V3. So I require ly, enigmatically. So first one not correct. Each region is enigma in its own brand. Regions enigma. Second one not correct. Trails are often an enigma. I said and the is needed. Only 3 is the right answer. Third option. Now a blank is given. In this blank, any 2 options are suitable. We need to try to fill. AIDS affects the poor. Or the dash communities disproportionately as they face challenges. Marginalized communities, yes, the people who are down, below middle class. Countryside communities, maybe located communities, maybe strengthened communities. Disproportionately possibilities there, but strengthened communities, no, strengthened should be there grammatically. So marginalized countryside or marginalized located. So we can take one and let's see, one partners, 1, 2 is there, 1, 4, no, no, no. So let's take first one, 1, 2, marginalized and countryside. Operation Parakram 2001-2 meant a sustained period of deep hostilities with diplomatic missions downgraded, diplomatic missions specified, doubled, truncated. Truncated means reduced, downgraded, reduced. So 1, 4, both have same meaning. So that both are possible. New Delhi's decision to embark on a course that will need dash India-Pakistan meetings. That will need stressed meetings, regular meetings, yes, repeated meetings, yes, install meetings, no. Regular meetings and repeated meetings, 2, 3. In the last few years, every avenue has been shut down from those for official dash talks. Official dash talks. Several talks, maybe. General talks, maybe. Bilateral, yes. Regional, more suitable. Bilateral and regional talks we can take. Or bilateral, several also. Let's see which is the partner of 3. Whichever is the partner of 3 we can take. Bilateral is more suitable. 3 no, 3 no, 3 yes, 3 yes, no. Answer either 1, 3 or 3, 4. Regional talks in the last few years, so many times. Let's take several. Answer is third option, several and bilateral. TPP should also be required to submit a verifiable evidence to dash the disclosure. To support, substantiate, support, substantiate, same meaning. Mediation, noun, here in the blank I require a noun, noun is not suitable. Deliberately, LOI, adverb not suitable, hence 1, 2. 1, 2 means first option. The Himalayan regions are structurally different from the Indian mainstream in terms of their dash structure. Their noun, after their noun is there. Noun is already given, so in the blank I require an adjective. The rebut is V1. Rebut is a noun also. Rebut structure, no. Social structure, yes. Economic structure, yes. Outlandish, no. Answer 2, 3. Social and economic structure. So 2, 3 means second option. So that's all for now. Thank you for your participation.